In this footage, Ukrainian soldiers are seen advancing on a mission when a Russian drone unexpectedly approaches from the rear. The drone engages the formation, striking one of the soldiers and forcing the unit to halt their advance. In this video, a Russian drone is shown monitoring a Ukrainian vehicle in a village-like area from above. At the exact moment, the drone engages the vehicle while a Ukrainian soldier is inside, demonstrating the precision and rapid response capabilities of unmanned strike systems in targeting personnel and equipment in real time. The 25th Army struck targets in Krasny Lyman, where an enemy vehicle in the industrial zone was quickly destroyed by an FPV drone. Footage from units of the Western Military District shows the capture of 2 Ukrainian soldiers during an engagement at a fortress near Kharkiv. Russian artillery and FPV drones conducted a coordinated strike, compelling the opposing infantry to surrender.
Стоять! Стой! Стой! Броню скидывай! Каску, броню, чтобы видно было! Руки аккуратно! Броню, каску снимаем! Ложись!
6th Army strikes Kiev forces on the move. In the settlement of Blagodatovka, FPV drone operators from the 6th Army carried out a nighttime strike against Kiev forces traveling on a quad bike along an exposed road. Shortly afterward, near the settlement of Petrovka, another drone strike successfully hit a pickup truck, further disrupting enemy movements and logistics. Another Kiev forces pickup truck was destroyed by fire near the settlement of Petrovka, further disrupting enemy mobility and supply lines in the area. A spectacular start to Monday comes from the Jaipurian team, who launched a coordinated series of operations showcasing the precision and effectiveness of modern Ukrainian unmanned systems. The footage highlights multiple FPV and strike drones operating in concert to identify, track, and engage enemy positions across contested areas. Targets included enemy vehicles, fortified positions, and personnel moving along exposed routes, all of which were systematically neutralized. The operation demonstrates not only technical proficiency but also tactical coordination. Drones provided real-time reconnaissance, relayed critical target information to supporting artillery and infantry units, and executed strikes with accuracy that minimized wasted munitions and ensured maximum impact. The Jaipurian team's work emphasizes the growing role of unmanned systems in shaping the battlefield, allowing Ukrainian forces to disrupt enemy maneuvers, degrade combat capabilities, and maintain pressure on Russian units while reducing risk to their own personnel. Overall, the Monday operation stands as a clear example of how advanced drone tactics and careful planning combine to produce decisive results in ongoing frontline engagements. On rare footage, Garand drones are seen destroying 2 Kiev forces helicopters, a Mi-24 and a Mi-8, at a helicopter landing site in Kirovograd Oblast, showcasing the precision and reach of modern unmanned strike systems. Reconnaissance UAV operators from the 36th Army of Group East successfully carried out the destruction of a Bogdana self-propelled artillery system, showcasing the precision and effectiveness of modern unmanned strike operations. New footage from the Kupiansk front shows the 352nd Regiment actively engaging and eliminating Kiev forces' infantry and equipment in a series of coordinated operations. The video captures the regiment moving through contested terrain, combining direct fire, reconnaissance, and drone support to identify enemy positions and strike them with precision. Kiev forces are seen attempting to maneuver through open areas and along supply routes, but the regiment's forward elements quickly detect these movements and engage using both small arms and heavier weaponry. Armored vehicles and transport trucks are systematically targeted, while infantry attempting to advance or seek cover are neutralized through coordinated fire. The footage also highlights the use of drones to maintain continuous observation, enabling the regiment to react instantly to enemy maneuvers and prevent regrouping or counterattacks. This engagement underscores the effectiveness of the 352nd Regiment in controlling key sectors near Kupiansk, disrupting enemy logistics, and limiting Kiev forces' ability to sustain operations in the area. The combination of ground units and unmanned systems demonstrates how modern battlefield tactics allow forces to dominate contested areas while minimizing exposure to counterattacks. Overall, the footage provides a detailed view of intense frontline combat, showcasing both tactical proficiency and the harsh realities of engagements in this sector of the conflict. The Rubicon team is kicking off the week with an impressive release of combat footage, covering multiple sectors and operations across the front lines. The video spans more than 7 minutes and showcases Ukrainian forces engaging Russian and Kiev-aligned units in Donbass, Sumy, and Krasny Lyman, highlighting both precision strikes and coordinated maneuvers. Throughout the footage, viewers can observe targeted attacks on enemy manpower, vehicles, and fortified positions, demonstrating the integration of drones, artillery, and infantry operations. FPV and reconnaissance drones are shown providing real-time intelligence, tracking enemy movements, and guiding follow-up strikes with remarkable accuracy. Armored vehicles and transport trucks are neutralized, while infantry attempts to maneuver or take cover are systematically disrupted. The release offers a detailed overview of the intensity and complexity of ongoing operations, emphasizing how Ukrainian forces are able to maintain pressure on multiple fronts simultaneously. By combining surveillance, drone strikes, and coordinated artillery, the Rubicon team highlights the effectiveness of modern combined arms tactics, as well as the discipline and coordination required to execute such operations successfully. The 7-minute compilation provides not only action-packed visuals, but also a clear demonstration of Ukraine's growing operational capabilities in key contested regions, giving insight into the evolving dynamics of the conflict.